Hey you. Yeah, you. You behind the screen. You are special. Better believe it. You can do anything, you know. As Shia LaBeouf once said, don't let your dreams be dreams. Just do it! You know that thing that you're really insecure about? Maybe you think you're overweight, or you have a bunch of pimples, or you snort when you laugh. Well, guess what? I think it's adorable. If anyone tells you otherwise, lead me to them. I will fight them. Everything you do is unique. Only you do it the way that you do. That is pretty special if you ask me. 9 billion people on this planet, and everything they do is unique in their own way. Every single atom in your body, every last 1,000 of them is unique. Think about that. There's billions of atoms in your body, and every single one of them is unique to you, to make you who you are. It's mind-blowing to me. Sure, we're all made of the same things, but we look different, don't we? That is pretty cool. Life would be pretty boring if we were all the same after all. Keep that in mind for me when you're feeling down or feeling unimportant, because you are important. Every last one of us on Earth has a purpose. And guess what? You don't need to know. Just live life knowing you're affecting someone. Every last thing you do, I've been saying last a lot and single, but it's true. Everything you do affects someone in some way. Even if it's just one person, that's enough for me. Is it enough for you? So, next time you're out in public, I have a challenge for you. Even you, I know you're pretending this doesn't apply to you. Help someone in need. Compliment someone's smile. Tell them you love their laugh. Tell someone how much they mean to you. You could make their day. Comment on someone's selfie telling them how beautiful they are. Because they are beautiful. Hey, I'm just stating facts here. And that thing that I mentioned earlier, that thing that you're insecure about, don't pretend that you don't have one. I know you're thinking about it right now. That insecurity is beautiful. Someone out there thinks of your flaws as perfection. Even if you think they're ugly, they're not. Someone out there thinks of all the things that you hate about yourself. They think of them as beautiful, and they think they are perfect. You are perfect. You can do anything you set your mind to. I'm wearing a jumper in 90-degree weather, which seems silly and small. I'm doing something that makes me happy. Do things that make you happy. Don't let anyone get in your way. Unless you're committing a crime or something, then you didn't hear anything from me. I don't want to be an accomplice in anything like that.